Both men with a lot to prove here in this match.
You know, there's a saying around here, treat every day like it's your first day on the job. My guess is these two are taking that mentality to heart, treating this match like a clean slate.
And you can bet this Alarmagado crowd is fired up for this one. Gets the reversal. What a counter. And they tie up with a collar and elbow.
Ooh, a little shove. Tilt-a-whirl.
Tilt-a-whirl. Arm drag.
Backbreaker. Face first. Lethal combination.
Holding in on the arm.
He answers right back.
Trading counters here.
Connects. Saw it coming.
Oh, goodness. Blasted right into the corner.
Power slam. Good night. Oh, man. Right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Delivering nasty stomps. Each of those boots seem to get heavier with each blow.
Knee right to the face. Oh, right on the arm. Wrenching the arm.
Choke slam. He got nailed by that last attack.
This is how it starts. The groundwork is being laid here.
Royal butterfly suplex.
Hoisted up high, driven down into a flapjack.
Oh, he fends that off.
Stopping their opponent.
Forearm smash after the stomps. Cuts the attack off.
Ooh, right to the arm. Power slam.
They are feeding off the WWE fans, now pinning the arm down and
a series of vicious stomps.
you got to wonder if there's more animosity in this match than we previously.
They got their eyes locked on their opponent.
Oh, right forearm to the neck. Turns it around.
Beautiful athleticism.
DDT.
Oh, that'll weaken your arm.
Uh-oh.
Jawbreaker.
Call the dentist.
It seems like this match is becoming something of an uphill battle for him.
We're reaching that point where one more big maneuver could change the whole match.
Proof these superstars have done their homework.
Ooh, brutal impact into the corner. We can sense the whole WWE Universe behind him right now. Oh, man. Oof.
He might just be stalling for time here. Headed out of the ring, but the count is looming. Oh, and it's reversed. Sliding back in under the ropes here. Reversal, and that turns things around. And saw what was coming there. Fire hole into the corner. It crashes to the mat. A knee right to the face.
Snatched up from the canvas into a spine buster. Impressive.
Oh, he's got him by the leg.
The foot DDT.
Oh, ow.
Turn out the lights. Uh-oh. We're gonna see it.
Stomp.
Going for the pin.
And referee cuts off the count in one.
He's still got life in this matchup.
He's quickly assuming control here.
He's in straight up attack mode.
And turning it into a mat slam. And he just got caught good once again.
This could be the defining moment of this match for him. What does he do now?
And they just busted out an impactful maneuver.
Oh, this could be bad. This could be really bad.
Lights out.
He created a huge opportunity here. What in the world? I do not know how you survive that.
Staying alive there is unheard of. How draining was that? Can it be done again? Can that maneuver be summoned at least one more time? He seemingly got nothing left in the tank, just taking this assault.
Yeah, he is strong.
Oh, a kick to the face.
God.
Big move could produce a win.
Cover! Oh, my God.
You gotta be kidding me. What just happened? I don't know, but I think it just blew the roof off this arena.
And there needs to be a refocus now. That was the moment that could have ended things, a moment that's being replayed in their heads right now. I don't think any of these superstars are going to show any quit at this point.
Never say die attitude on full display.
Delivering nasty stomps.
He's just stacking up these attacks.
He's putting a ton of force behind every attack.
Right hand will counter. Double underhook.
Into the neck breaker.
He's got this one in the bag now.
2. Man, that has got to feel good. Sweet, sweet victory.